Welcome to Systems of Equations in Slope-Intercept form. We will begin by graphing both lines on the same graph. My top line will be in purple. I look for my y-intercept, which is at positive 1. So I go to positive 1 on the y-axis. My slope is a negative 3 over 4, which means I'm going to go down 3 to the right 4. I can also go up 3 to the left 4. Because this is not an inequality, it's an equation, I make a solid line. And yes, your line needs to go throughout your entire graph. So then I look at the second equation. I start at negative 2. Again, my slope is negative 3/4 x. So I go down 3 over 4, up 1, 2, 3 over 4. What do you notice about my two lines? Are they ever going to intersect? No, they are not, because they have the same slope. So same slope equals parallel lines. Moving on. Number 2. Already in slope-intercept form, we know that because it's y equals. So I look for my y-intercept, the number not attached to x, and I put a dot. My slope is an x, which means I gotta look for the number in front of the x. Since there is no number, it's a 1. And 1 written as a fraction is 1 over 1. Which means if I go up 1, I go to the right 1. Up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1, down 1 to the left 1, and then I connect. My next line starts at negative 4. I go up 6 over 1. And this beautifully purple pink dot is a point I'm looking for. I know my answer will have an x value and a y value. The x value of this point is 1. The y value of this point is 2. So my answer is 1, 2. The graph is not my answer. My answer is this point right here. And yes, you have to write out what the point is. My y-intercept, again, I start there. I go to negative 2 and I put a dot. My slope is a negative 1/3. So if I go positive 1, I must go negative 3. If I go negative 1, then I go positive 3. And then you connect. And you're done with that line. Time to move on to the pink line. I'm starting at 2. My slope is a negative 5/3, which means I can't go up 5, so I gotta count down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have to go, since I went negative 5, I have to go positive 3. And there's my answer. So again, I'm looking for the x and y value of the point where they cross. Here's where they're crossing. So my x value is a 3, and my y value is a negative 3. Finish the rest on this page, please.